The UK bans Binance. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.heise here, and welcome to another episode of HeiseSays. Grab your stein of coffee because we're going to talk about an article which is highlighting the fact that the UK is banning Binance. I think the largest, or one of the largest, definitely one of the most popular crypto exchanges out there. Now, I've used them back in the day, back when they didn't have to move out of China. But so let's have a look. Let's get started. Before we look, at this article and Binance a little bit, let's jump into the current crypto prices, everyone. Because, well, come on, it's an exciting time in crypto right now. Bitcoin is shooting back up. So I'll bring this up. I've got CoinMarketCap right here. And we'll just do a refresh to see where we see. Oh, look at that. 36,000 USD for BTC. Not bad. Ethereum, $2,182. So my mining is still going okay. Still going okay with my 4 graphics cards. Tether is a stable coin. Binance coin is at $302. I'm still shocked at seeing this because I remember it was just dust that you had left over when you made trades on Binance back in 2017, 2018. And there you go. It's just should have held on to a whole lot of it. Oh well, that's the way. Cardano is at $1.38. Dogecoin or Doggy Coin is at 26 cents. That is such a meme coin. It's just crazy. XRP is at 71 cents. Another stable coin. Polkadot is at 16.45, and Uniswap is rounding out the top 10. So we can see here, crypto has climbed back a bit from the dip under 30,000, or at least Bitcoin has, and everything else moves with Bitcoin, guys. It's the gateway drug. We can see here, this is the Binance exchange. You can sign up for it and use it. I tend to use it every now and then, although at the moment I'm doing most of my crypto through CoinSpot and Independent Reserve when I'm converting stuff over, because I mine crypto and I earn crypto on my library channel, and at the end of every month from the basic intention tokens. So I flip those all over and convert them, and Binance is one of the exchanges I use for that. And it has a lot of options. What scares me is the amount of leverage that they're willing to give people, which is just insane. But each their own. If you're willing to take the risk, good luck to you. You've got a different risk profile to me. So let's have a look at this article and look at why the UK will be doing that. I suspect it might be to do with, the huge potential risks that people are exposing themselves to. So buying Bitcoin. Popular cryptocurrency trading platform banned in the UK. There's been a major crackdown from a government authority as regulators around the world make moves on crypto services. Now, here's the thing. You may never be able to completely ban cryptocurrencies, but you can make it really difficult to use, and you can block and track all the entry and exit points. How many people do you think are out there going to trade you Monero for your goods and services? I met a painter, and I did some drawings for him, and I wanted to give him a discount if he paid me in crypto. It was such a hassle, and he didn't want to get rid of the money. Of course not. He wanted to give me useless fiat. He wanted to hold on to his crypto, and it never ended up happening. So let me know. Actually, that would be interesting. I should do a poll on it. I'll do it for a future video to discuss. I might do it, and we can check it on Freedom Friday. And it would be interesting to see how many of you have actually successfully had a business-to-business transaction using cryptocurrency. Not like paying for a service, like, I could even offer crypto on my invoices. It just goes through a third party. But actually, sending Bitcoin from one wallet to another wallet, or Ethereum from one wallet to another wallet, that'd be interesting to see how often that happens. Anyway, the United Kingdom's financial regulator has banned the popular cryptocurrency exchange Binance from operating in the country, as governments around the world consider how to regulate the burgeoning sector. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority announced that Binance Markets Limited, the company's UK affiliate, is not permitted to undertake any regulated activity in the UK. Despite news of the UK crackdown, Bitcoin was actually trading higher Monday morning. The digital currency was going for more than 35,000 early in the day before falling slightly back to 34,300. I can't imagine one country banning an exchange would have any impact on the price of Bitcoin. All the people in this space will just use a VPN to get around it, honestly. That represents a surge of more than 5% from the lows of 32,500 on Sunday evening, according to CoinDesk's Bitcoin Price Index. The regulator move will still allow UK residents to access Binance.com, the company said, but the FCA added that Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, has until the close of business on Wednesday to remove all advertising and financial promotions it currently has up. By the same date, the FCA said, the company must add a warning in prominent places on the website and mobile app that reads, Binance Markets Limited is not permitted to undertake any regulated activities in the UK. Due to the imposition of requirements by the FCA, Binance Markets Limited is not currently permitted to undertake any regulated activities without the prior written consent of the FCA. No other entity in the Binance Group holds any form of UK authorization, registration, or license or to conduct regulated activity in the UK. In a statement on Twitter, Binance noted that the affiliate targeted by the UK restrictions is a separate legal entity from Binance. I'm sure they've got lots of separate legal entities all over the place. I mean, do you trust this exchange, everyone? Do you trust them? There's the question. I mean, I'm not going to be putting significant money on there. Would you risk a significant proportion of your reserves or investments with an exchange like this? That's the question. You may not trust them, but willing to take a punt with a little bit of money. And a little bit of money may be different to different people. Even though the FCA has moved bars Binance Markets Limited from offering regulated services in the country, non-registered firms like Binance.com can still interact with residents in the UK, the FCA said. The FCA's move comes almost a month after the regulator issued a statement saying that a significantly higher number of crypto firms were failing to meet the country's recently issued requirements on preventing money laundering. Those guidelines prompted several crypto firms, including Binance Markets Limited, to withdraw their applications to officially register with the FCA. It's just the latest move by regulators around the world to crack down on and try to reel in the crypto sector. There's the price of USD. I mean, we saw, they haven't caught it on here, but Bitcoin did breach below 30,000. Japan's Financial Services Agency issued a warning last week that Binance was operating in the country without registration. And in China, regulators have escalated their efforts to halt cryptocurrency mining and prevent banks and other financial firms from hosting crypto services. In the US too, Binance is under scrutiny. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission is looking into whether Binance allowed Americans to make trades that is not permitted to host, according to Bloomberg. The outlet also reported that the US Justice Department, the Internal Revenue Service, are investigating the exchange. Binance hasn't yet been accused of wrongdoing by any of the agencies, and it remains unclear if the US will seek enforcement action. So, what are the solutions to this, everyone? Well, I would suggest we need to fundamentally go back to the argument of increasing financial literacy. Agency of the individual needs to be lifted up to a higher extent, and people need to understand the risks that they're taking. The problem is there are going to be so many people that think crypto is their one shot at making it big, and they'll be jumping in and throwing in and risking everything in. You've heard all of the con stories. Cloud Token Wallet, the one I did a video on. There's still people appearing in a Facebook group asking how to get their crypto back. It's kind of sad. It really is. People don't know any better. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this one in the comments down below. Are you a fan of Binance? Do you use them? Would this have any impact on your decision to trade? Let us know. If you're a fan and want to help out, there are a few ways you can. You can join us on YouTube or Patreon. Sign up for SelfWealth or Stake. Use our affiliate links at Amazon, eBay, Independent Reserve, or AussieBroadband. Buy a merch from HeiseSays. Use Gold Pass from the Perth Mint or support us via PayPal. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.